Here he comes again, he's coming round. Now where's he gone? There he is. Look, oh look, there's two. One coming round here, and one just shot past him. I love the way they just do this. Look at this, look, 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 look. Come on, baby. That's it. Go on, you bastard. Come around, go on. Go higher than the treetops. Give me a good show. Come on. This is beautiful anyway. Oh, look at you go. Skimming the tops of the trees. Lost him there. He's gone down low. Here come the old one, look. Wow. They're going up and down, up and down. Here come the other one. This is the second one. Go on, straight down into the trees. There they go. Go on. There they go, look. This is the other one. Now these are much bigger craft. These ones were about, I'd say they're about 30 feet. Lost him there. Again, she's now coming up. It's going to go straight down into the trees again. There they go again, straight down into the trees. I've lost him again. It goes so low. It must be like 20 foot down above the pits. Coming no one, look. Straight up and down into the trees. Do a complete U-turn. Straight down into the trees again. Whoosh. He's gone again. Again. Coming out of the trees. Doing a circle. Skimming the top of the trees. Going down into the trees. And you can't see him coming out. There he is again, look. Ooh, going straight down into the trees again. Come again, look. Straight into out of the trees, into the trees. Little bastards. In and out of the trees. Dive bombing those woods. This is spectacular. And as you can see, it's a full moon tonight. And this is overlooking towards the woods, which is not very clear, I know. But this is where I saw those two 100 meter, they were huge. I can see them three street lamps over there. There are four actually, 4 street lamps, and there was as long as the distance between those street lamps, and they just flew across there like that. All beautiful green lights. Got up to where this tree is, and then hyperdrive went right across there, and I couldn't film it, just too quick. Never seen it so quick. Now I can stand here all night filming these, because this is happening every day, every night. Has been for the last, what, 5-6 months since I've been filming them. And you just don't, there's no airfields over there. They're woods and quarries, and that's all we got. And they're dive bombing in and out, in and out, in and out. I think they're taking samples, to be honest with you. But I'm getting bored of filming them every night. Until I see something spectacular like them green ones. Came through the other night. But there you go. You can't win them all. And that's the main road, the 149. Behind that is crematorium, Ballsy crematorium, and the woods, and that's it. Nothing else. C-130 Charlie just gone over there. C-130 military jet, military airplane. They're monitoring the situation. They're watching these craft. Now this is a military airplane. They're not irregular flashing of the lights. Constant, perfectly timed. Here goes the military. The military's going out to, yeah, that's the military. The C-130 just flew over. All those ships just stopped. And we've got 2 jets, fighter jets, just gone over there now. They're heading in the direction of where those big UFOs are. Of just filming. Go on. You're gonna have you got your bloody work cut out, you know. I'll tell you that. You'll never get them, boy. No way. Well, that's unusual. That's the first time I've seen 2 military jets. We had a C-130 fly over, and we just had the 2 fighter jets cruising by, and all the action over the woods has now stopped. So there's definitely something going on. I can tell you that now. They're starting to realise. It's the first time I've seen the military react like this. So close on this full moon night. Thursday. It's about 8:15. Full moon. And this is where I get all the action from my bedroom window. Yeah, there's nothing.